tomorrow is Saxon's birthday. We are actually traveling to the Great Wolf Lodge in Grapevine, Texas. Never been there before, but we are excited to check it out. The boys, especially Shepard, is excited. There's water slides and stuff, but yeah, we'll show you all that. But I wanted to tell you, today we had T-ball, and Saxon won the Sportsmanship Award. Saxon's right here. His birthday is tomorrow, but yeah, we'll show you some pictures from the T-ball game right here. We are very proud of him. He was doing so well at his T-ball game today.
The word of the day was determination, and Saxon ran after that ball, and he hit that ball so hard and ran so fast, and we're so proud. We're so proud of you. Congratulations, Saxon, on your Sportsmanship Award. So since we're going tomorrow, somebody gets to open their birthday gifts early today. What do you want?
I don't know.
Well, it's a surprise.
You don't need to be shy. You're just talking to us.
Happy birthday to you.
No, it's to you, not to
Yay, Saxon.
Then mommy said, then mommy said, Mom, you said dear you.
I hope you have a happy birthday and enjoy your personal Reese's cake, all for you.
Can I have one?
Mmm, how is it?
Good.
Yummy, yummy. Oh, yum. Don't even think about it, Shepard.
I smell it. That's so good.
Mmm.
Can you say happy birthday?
Say happy birthday, Saxon.
She said happy birthday. She only said a word.
Whoa.
She only said a word that's like a little bit. She said
Huh?
birthday.
You want water?
You're gonna peek in the gift? Okay, Saxon.
Shepard, that's from Shepard. What is
Wait.
that, Shepard? What is that?
A master sword.
That's the Master Sword.
Let
from
me
Zelda.
see.
That is the bow and arrow from Zelda.
Awesome. You're so lucky. Does that actually work? Daddy,
Yes.
Daddy.
It works. You can shoot it.
Grab something else, Saxon. Daddy, I'm a shield.
And a
That's from
shield.
Wow.
Shield.
It's the Hyrule Shield.
Hey, Dad.
Wow.
I'm even good at it.
You're really good at it. Wow, you are good at it, Saxon. Good job.
Let's do this.
Wow, I love it.
That one, this is how you do shield.
That's right. You got to protect your head.
Yeah. Pick my head.
I love it.
Whoa. Whose birthday is it?
Me.
Yay.
Do this.
Oh my goodness.
Mommy, Mama.
Is that your new sword?
There, yeah.
All right, here we are at technically our first stop to charge.
Yeah, the last one, the thing was broken and there's so many people.
The Tesla, yeah, we stopped in Ardmore and there's only one stall that was working, so there's literally a line of Teslas. And so I was like, I think we have enough to just keep going to Denton. And so here we are. Happy birthday, Saxon. We are so excited to celebrate with him this year. Baby's done eating, so we're just waiting for it to charge. Gonna watch a little bit of Hulu. It's loading up on the screen right now, just while we wait. But yeah, love driving my Tesla. I would rather do this than flying an airplane. It's
But
just
I get car sick in this car.
You see my little blonde heads in the back? That's all I see is just little blonde hair.
And she's done good.
She's doing good.
Someone's being super smiley. Say hi. 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 Are you ready to go down some water slides? I think you're too little. Yay. Yay. Here they come, running across the street. They're so silly.
It's 87 degrees. It's warm. The warmest day we've had all year. But this isn't Oklahoma, so I don't know about Texas. Great.
Here we are.
You see it?
Yeah!
I think we're here.
How's this Oklahoma?
This is Texas.
Oh, I thought you said this is I thought you said this is Oklahoma. Wow, look at the hotels! There is so many hotels!
Wow.
So cool!
Here we go.
Look at that firefly!
Wow.
What's that?
And what does the wolf say? Let me see your ears. Wow. So cute.
All right, hey, okay, come here. All right, so we are going to see what kinds of cool rocks we can find. What did you find that one?
Which one do you want?
Which one do you want to find?
I like that one.
Oh, the carnelian. I like the
Wow.
bull rabbit school too. Ready? All right, so we're pouring in. Dump it all.
Cool.
Good job. Okay. Look here, lift it up. And keep doing that until all the little dirt goes away. Let's see what kind of rocks and cool.
Oh my goodness.
Probably the water will go away.
Wow, Saxon.
Yep.
We just got our point, Savannah.
Oh, you're so close to the What's inside? I wonder what's inside of Golden Egg.
What's inside? Wow. Just chilling. Wow, it says happy birthday.
It says happy
What? Whoa. Wait.
Oh, this is
What?
that is cool.
There's two.
That's your cool bunk
Who's gonna
bed.
sleep on the bunk bed?
Whatever, wherever Saxon wants to sleep, he gets to sleep.
I sleep on the bunk bed.
Okay.
A birthday card and birthday balloons. Awesome. Whoa. This is so cool. What do you think?
This is like a house.
First time in a baby having a pizza party for the birthday boy.
Yep, happy birthday.
What are y'all watching?
I have no idea.
All right, so I exploded the Sprite and it's everywhere, all over the floor. And we had our pizza, it was delicious, and our hot wings.
I'm still eating.
So good, so good. Now it's for, we got the birthday present. Did we pay for this?
It is like part of the, like a prepaid birthday package. Okay, and we'll just have to pretend to blow out.
What? That's happy too.
I didn't bring a lot. Happy birthday to you.
Many more.
Good
Make a
job.
wish.
No, it's not sticky like glue.
Ooh,
Whoa.
whoa,
Oh.
you got a little bump in there, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, it's the next morning and we are getting ready to go to day 2 at the water park.
Yes.
Savannah and Soleil have the cutest matching cover-ups. We're just playing.
Are you adorable or super adorable? I think you're not adorable. I think you are super adorable.
I'm wearing someone forward-facing. Hi. Hi.
He's like, who is that?
Who's that? What slides are we doing?
The big old. The big one. The big one. The big one.
Whoa.
Just the big ones. I'm doing the big one.
We've arrived at our cabana. Here we are. We got water, towels. Who's ready to go?
Okay, we're going to the bar side with mommy. I'm doing like the slow one with her because she's scared of everything.
The baby's playing. We ordered lunch to the cabana. Okay, what ride do you want to do next?
You need one.
Saxon!
We did the green one.
Are you serious? Was it fun?
Yeah.
Were you scared? No, we were very excited.
Okay, Savannah just went to Build-A-Bear. Show me your bear you built. So cute. She got lots of clothes and now the boys are playing Jurassic Park. Oh, wow. We're about to do Magic Quest.
Well, we close the door here.
Okay, we finally figured it out. We are confused. An apprentice magi.
I'm going to Pizza Dragon. Yeah!
Oh, wow.